Namaste. Today, Thursday, Gyani Gurwar. Today, I want to talk about intermediate fasting. So, intermediate fasting is really good when you're looking at the fat loss. Yes, it is. But there is a little difference to what people actually think intermediate fasting is and what they do. I have come across a lot of people who say कि मैंने fasting किया है, okay? और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है कि मैंने ये पर्टिकुलर डाइट किया है, मैंने वो पर्टिकुलर डाइट किया है. आई विल नॉट गेट इनटू द डाइट पार्ट, बट टुडे माय टॉपिक इज इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग to let you know what exactly is intermediate fasting and what are the concepts that people should have clear in their mind. So very first thing, intermediate fasting is the fasting that people do from minimum 6 hours to 8 hours to 12 hours to 16 hours, 24 hours. There are people who even do 36 hours intermediate fasting. So how can they do it? It is a fasting period when you do not feel hungry. Yes. So we had a fad in between where people used to follow a doctor who had introduced this to the Indian community. Morning 9 o'clock खाओ और फिर रात को 9 o'clock खाओ. That was his concept of introducing fasting to all of us. But people took it in a wrong way. They went according to the clock, eating in the morning at 9 and then eating in the night at 9. That's a 12 hours fast which he wanted to introduce. But a lot of people, what they did is they were feeling hungry maybe in the evening or before 9 o'clock, probably is the right way to put it. So if you had your food in the morning at 9 and you are supposed to eat at 9 और बीच में अगर आपको भूख लगती है तो लोगों ने खाना नहीं खाया है, उससे क्या हो गया कि उन्होंने स्टार्विंग किया है. और इस स्टार्विंग को अगर आप फास्टिंग कह रहे हैं, सो प्लीज आई वांट यू टू करेक्ट योरसेल्फ हियर. You don't have to starve, you have to do your fasting. So if you are hungry and you are not eating, you lose on to a lot of vitamins and minerals in your body and you are prone to metabolic conditions. So please go into a fasting stage and not a starving stage. How to do it? You can get in touch with me for the same. I'm here to help you for the fat loss, the muscle gain and the lifestyle change. My details are in the description box. Thank you. Bye-bye.